Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 288th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. I realized I haven't done a fried fish video here on my channel, so that's what I'm going to make. Today we're going to make some southern fried fish. And my friends, this recipe is the bomb.com. It's going to be so crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's going to be so flavorful. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this would be great for your fish fries, Sunday soul food, or any time of the week. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your cornmeal and your fish sugar, because we're about to fry some southern fried fish magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my pan I have 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of yellow cornmeal. And over here I have my seasonings. I have 1/2 teaspoon each of salt, white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ground thyme, and smoked paprika. And 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a pinch of white sugar, which is 1/8 teaspoon. Going to give that a quick stir. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to dredge our fish. Over here in my bowl, I have 2 catfish fillets that I washed, or you can use the fish of your choice. And over here in this pan, I have 1 egg with 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And our flour and cornmeal mixture that we made earlier. And I cut my fish in half. So we're going to take a catfish and dredge it into the buttermilk mixture. And then into the flour and cornmeal. And then we're going to put it on the plate. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating the rest of my catfish and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through coating all my fish. Now we're ready to fry them. I got my canola oil heating up in my cast iron skillet. It came to temperature. So now we're going to gently add the fish into the hot oil. Oh yeah. Hear that sizzle? Perfect. Alright, so now we're going to fry the fish on both sides until it's golden brown. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern fried fish. Look how nice and golden brown they look. And I garnish it with some lemon. My mouth's watering. Alright, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me a little piece right here. The crust is nice and crunchy. The fish is perfectly cooked. Great flavor. This fried fish is incredible. Please give this recipe a try. They deserve another bite. Southern fried fish delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.